Martin, Pendergrass. In the hole, McGrew, Yelling. Mat 2. On deck, Osborne, Tommy. In the hole, Conrad, Brigsby. Mat 3. On deck, Church, Mansfield. In the hole, Stockfield and Tom. Mat 4. On deck, Lindsay, Sally. In the hole, Johnson, Paul. Mat 5. On deck, Brooks,
What's the score?
in the hole, Owen, Green. Mat 6. On deck, Peterson, Huntington. In the hole, Gonzalez, Chune. Mat 7. On deck, Garcia, H. Edwards. In the hole, Rogers and Noah.
What's the score, Kat?
5-0.
For who?
Sawyer's down.
Let's go! Get up! Get up!
Get up, Sawyer!
What are we doing?
Let's go, Sawyer!
D4, 12U, 125 pounds. Fourth place from Greenwood Wrestling Academy, Midnight Roasted. Third place was Springdale Youth Wrestling, Remington and Perry. Second place from Passion Wrestling, Braxton Pearson. And your champion, Bentonville Wrestling Club, Tyson Phillips. D3, 2U Novice, 95 pounds. Second place, Burton Road, Brett McLean. And your champion from Bentonville Wrestling Club, Max Nickler. D2, 8U, 83 pounds. Third place from Team Duplo, Maddox Pettit. Second place from Bentonville Wrestling, Jeffrey Gatchek. And your champion from Spartan Wrestling Academy, Tristan Peru. D3, 15U, 100-105. Third place from Spartan Wrestling Club, Cambridge J. Second place from Conway Wrestling, Piper Sheen.